Hey, it's Eric with Boyd Outdoors. This is Salt Creek. This is a spillway on Salt Creek. I usually go from over there. There's a staircase over there. There's a park with ponds over there, but they got it all blocked off. So checking all the water flows. We've had a lot of rain. A couple hours to the west of us has had a ton of rain the last couple days. You can see it's really flowing right here, and it's still raining. It's good to have it's good to have rain, but at some point it's too much. There are some decent channel cats, decent carp, every once in a while, big flathead. Go to Boyd Outdoors on Facebook, YouTube, hit like, subscribe, take a kid fishing.